12 Amazing Techniques. 1. The first thing you should do is change your attitude towards life. As you know, no one is perfect. People with high self-confidence accept this fact and admit their flaws and do not try to hide their flaws from anyone. Instead, they spend their energy on fixing their faults and defects, which eventually leads to more self-confidence. 2. Be responsible. Men and women with low self-confidence usually don't own up to their mistakes and try to make themselves look innocent with excuses, and since they haven't accepted their mistake, they are likely to repeat it again. But if you have come to the conclusion that the only person who can shape the events of your life is yourself, you will see that a power is created within you that you can use to take control of your life, and you will see that your sense of self-confidence will increases dramatically. 3. Control your anxiety and worry. Most of the time, anxiety and worry is due to our lack of knowledge about future events, but we can think about why we worry or what is the reason for worry. When you clearly define the reason for worry to yourself, you will realize that there really is no valid reason to worry. 4. Pay attention to the way you speak. There is a direct relationship between the way you speak and your confidence. Men and women with low self-confidence, like shy people, always hesitate when speaking and use words that indicate a lack of confidence and certainty, such as maybe, I don't know, I doubt, etc. 5. Always have a plan. If you want to be confident, you need to know what you are going to do. Know your strengths and weaknesses and set a suitable time frame for yourself. Then determine the steps to reach the goal and convert it into smaller steps. Then put all your effort into taking these small steps. In the end, you will see that success in each of these steps will lead to an increase in your self-confidence. 6. Choose a template for yourself. If you know someone who has high self-confidence, he can be a good role model. Pay attention to his behavior and follow them. Try to get to know their habits and moods. Approach these people and consult with them. Being close to such people has very positive effects on you and helps to increase your self-confidence. 7. Take care of your health. Health and peace are more important than anything else for humans. Sometimes people mistakenly think that caring about yourself is the same as being selfish. This notion is completely wrong. Even if you want to help others, you must first be strong and competent yourself. Value yourself and make time for exercise during the day. Never forget to eat healthy, get enough sleep and have fun. 8. Don't forget to exercise. Regular exercise has many benefits. In addition to beautifying your body, exercise also multiplies your energy and vitality and makes you feel better about yourself and will also have a happy mood. 9. Gain new experiences. Get out of your comfort zone. If you are looking for change and more success in life, you need to take some risks. With every step you take to get out of your comfort zone, your confidence will grow more and more. You can start with simple things. For example, go to a restaurant alone, make a new friend in a park or gym. Find new entertainment for yourself. Start and don't be afraid of anyone or anything. Read books, follow the news and stay up to date with the situation in society. 10. Stand up straight. If you want to look confident, stand up straight and don't hunch your shoulders. Do not walk bent and without energy. Raise your head when you walk, keep your feet close together and take firm and regular steps. 11. Make eye contact. Confident men and women express more inner passion and excitement in their conversations with others. If you want to come across as a confident person, you need to maintain eye contact when talking to others. When you talk to others, look them in the eye. Maintain eye contact both when others are speaking and when you are speaking yourself. Do not play on your phone while talking to others. Be 100% focused on the other person. 12. Use hands while speaking. When you take help from your hands in speaking, unconsciously your feeling of passion and excitement is transferred to others. Of course, don't overdo it. Excessive use of body movements such as hands can break the audience's nerves. Psychologists believe that when you are talking to someone, hand movements so that the palm is visible will attract people's trust more. Do not hide your hand while talking. Of course, You should know that standing with your hands on your chest is not very attractive. Last word: men and women with low self-confidence usually do not take responsibility for their mistakes and try to make themselves look innocent with excuses. In this article, Hello World, we taught you 12 simple techniques and solutions to increase self-confidence in men and women. I hope it was useful for you. You can share this article with your friends on social networks.